Imagine you want to improve your fitness. Simply saying, "I want to get fit," is too vague. To turn this into an effective goal, we can use the SMART framework. First, the goal needs to be specific, which means clearly defining what getting fit actually looks like for you. Instead of keeping it broad, you might say, "I want to be able to run 5 kilometers without stopping." Next, it has to be measurable, so you can track your progress. One way to do this is by increasing your running distance by 500 meters each week. But a goal isn't just about what you want, it also has to be achievable. If you currently struggle to run 1 kilometer, aiming for 5 kilometers in just 1 week might be unrealistic. Instead, you could adjust the timeline to match your current fitness level. Then comes relevance. Ask yourself, does this goal align with your broader health and fitness aspirations? If running 5 kilometers contributes to your overall well-being, it's a meaningful and relevant goal. Finally, every goal needs a time frame to keep you accountable. Setting a deadline, such as achieving this within 8 weeks, gives you a clear target to work towards. Now, let's look at another example, this time related to academics. Instead of saying, "I want to do well in my exams," let's make it more structured. A specific goal would be, "I want to score above 85% in my math exam." To make it measurable, you could say, "I will complete 2 practice tests each week." It also needs to be achievable, so you might plan to study for 1.5 hours daily, adjusting as needed. The goal should be relevant, meaning it contributes to something important, like improving your grades for university applications. And of course, it has to be time-bound, so you set a deadline. "I will achieve this score in my next semester exams." By structuring goals this way, we transform vague ambitions into clear, actionable steps, making success far more likely. But setting goals is only the first step. The real challenge is staying committed to them. In our next video, we'll explore powerful strategies to maintain motivation and overcome obstacles.